Aspirin is typically known for helping relieve aches and pains, but people have since found an alternative use for it. Apparently, aspirin can help remove stains and brighten your clothes. So, if you have a dull, gray, or yellow tone to your whites, aspirin can help. I mean, it's basically relieving that headache with laundry. Washing white clothes is really problematic because every time you wash them they lose the whiteness and get some grayish shadow. This is irritating for every woman, but don't worry because there is a simple solution that you might not know about, and the solution includes aspirin. With the help of aspirin, you will deal with this problem very fast without using chemical cleaners that are expensive and ineffective. How to prepare? What you will do is simple. Just throw 325 aspirin tablets in 2 gallons of hot water. The aspirin will dissolve in hot water. Then, the second thing in the recipe is to put grayish clothes into the water with dissolved aspirin and let them stay there for 6 to 7 hours. After 7 hours, your clothes that were grayish will become whiter than ever. This method can also be applied to washing machines. If you are washing your clothes in a machine, just put the aspirin in the machine. This way of making your clothes white and impeccable clean is even better because the tablet will dissolve better and the effect will be excellent.